Here's the field for race 2, Tompkin Gear Stakes for 3-year-old trotting fillies. The purse $38,700. Sponsored by Sierra Brokerage Services in the Robert Key entry, 1 Sassy Winner K and David Miller. Entry mate American Judine with Brad Hanners. 2 Red Oaks Beauty owned by George A, driven by Charlie Norris. 3 is CC Me owned by Flowing Mineral Farm with Charles Myrick. 4 Lucky Marge owned by Richard Householder. Dave Hawk will be aboard. 5 Marinera owned by TD and Linda Van Camp with Jeff Fout. 6 Any Man O' Mine owned by Ken Miller and Howard Clore with Chip Noble. 7 Lassie's Goal owned by Rompaway Farms and Waldo Frankenstein, driven by Frank O'Mara. Number 8 is Meadow Branch Mary owned by the Doug Ackerman Stable with D.R. Ackerman. And number 9 Miss Wall Street owned by the Shapira Racing Stable Incorporated. Chris Boring will be in the sulky. 6 minutes till post time. Starting gate is underway. And there they go. They're off and trotting. CC Me between horses takes the lead. Lucky Marge alongside. Red Oaks Beauty along the rail. They're down the back stretch. Any Man O' Mine trotting up on the outside, 4th. Followed by Sassy Winner K to 5th. Ranging up on the outside, Lassie's Goal, 6 coming on between horses. Marinera 7th. 3 wide on the far outside. Meadow Branch Mary is into 8th. Trotting 9th, Miss Wall Street, and at the end it's American Judine. They open up here in 29 3/5. 10 trotters in parade. They're already double-deckered as they move past the stands from the outside. Any Man O' Mine, 30-1 shot now, gets the lead. With a rush on the outside, Lassie's Goal goes right on. Lassie's Goal quickly takes over by 2. Marinera's on the attack from 2nd along the rail. Any Man O' Mine is into 3rd. Lucky Marge is 4th. As they hit the half-mile pole, CC Me still on the outside. Meadow Branch Mary underway. Red Oaks Beauty. The entries quickly drop back. American Judine and Sassy Winner K on the outside. Miss Wall Street. They're at the half in 58-1. Big move though for Frank O'Mara. Gets the lead. Draws off by 3 with Lassie's Goal. Lassie's Goal. Marinera now saving ground in the 2nd. The 6 is off stride. Any Man O' Mine as they trot to 3/4. Lassie's Goal trying to sting him with a huge backstretch move, continues to lead the way. 126-4. Blistering middle half. Kenshi last on the front end. Deep stretch. Now it's Lassie's Goal on top, followed by Marinera in 2nd. Big Mile on the outside for Meadow Branch Mary 3rd. As the field straightens away, Lassie's Goal brings them on home, followed by Marinera. Meadow Branch Mary is up on the outside. Deep stretch, it's Lassie's Goal. Here's Meadow Branch Mary coming on 2nd. Looks like Marinera might hold on 3rd over Red Oaks Beauty. Here comes the new track record holder here at Scioto Downs for 3-year-old trotting fillies. Winner number 7, Lassie's Goal, a 3-year-old bay filly by Armbro Goal out of Missy Had a Gal. Owned by Rompaway Farms and Waldo Frankenstein of Michigan. Ran and trained by Frank O'Mara to cover the mile here in 1:56-1. Beating the old record set last year by Charlie Myrick and Flowing Jody of 1:56-4. Establishing a new track record tonight in the process. The unofficial winner is number 7, Lassie's Goal. Jeff and Susan Richardson, Chris McCamey, and Jim Trowbridge. Seven eight exacta 112.20. The try 320.80. 3-7 Daily Devil $61 even. Here's the rundown. Sassy Winner K was 6th. American Judine 7th. Red Oaks Beauty 4th. CC Me was 8th. Lucky Marge 9th, Marinera 3rd, Any Man of Mine was 10th. Lassie's Goal, the winner. Meadow Branch Mary 2nd, Miss Wall Street was 5th. 674 893